3D printing is the process of laying down material layer by layer by layer. If we compare that to a 2D printer where you print a single layer, 3D printing is printing the same layer over and over and over again. Each one's slightly different to the one before to make a three-dimensional object. Traditionally, 3D printing has been used by industry to prototype parts. Designers, engineers, consultants use it to one-off manufacture prototypes to develop the next generation of product. More recently, 3D printing has become more mainstream, and now it's being used on low volume run productions and hopefully in the future full production runs. Over the next 5 years, 3D printing will affect people in the home by enabling them to design, develop and manufacture their own goods to their own custom requirements. At the moment, everyone is limited by buying from the shops what's already available, but 3D printing will allow people to customise and make things unique and manufacture those things in their own home. We believe that Robox is better than a lot of its competitors because it's a very compact unit which will stay within reach of the users and is able to create objects with very little technical expertise put into it. For example, it will be able to level the bed by itself. It has feedback systems from the extruder, so it automatically recognises and feeds material without the user having to program and write profiles for those print materials. Robox is different to many other 3D printers on the market because what we've attempted to do here is take the technical expertise that engineers traditionally use to drive their 3D printers and put that technical expertise into Robox. In the office at CEL, I didn't want our engineers spending time tuning profiles and getting 3D printers to work. What the 3D printer needs to do is take the part that it's been told to print and print it. You can literally go to a website, download the component you want, put it through the Automaker software which allows you to plate it onto the build plate and then select the quality you want. There's many libraries of parts which are ready to download instantly and make parts. Everything from bird's nests to spoons to cups, saucers, Lego bricks, parts, toys, games. There's a huge world of parts already on the internet. Just recently, my son was learning how to read analog clocks, so we very quickly drew up the face of an analog clock and made it into a jigsaw puzzle. The game was to then create the time on the clock as quickly as you could. I feel very passionately that 3D printers can help in education. I think there's been a lack of practical skills taught in schools. I think we're leaning towards more academia recently. And I think 3D printers allows a creative child to express his three-dimensional thoughts without danger of hurting themselves. I'd imagine within 5 years, every school, university and education centre will have a 3D printer of some sort that will enable them to create everyday components to help with education. Budding British entrepreneurs and engineers can use 3D printers, and Robox particularly, to realise their ideas and create low-volume products to start their global product. What they need to do is listen to their market, make sure that the features and functions that they want to incorporate into their product is what the market wants. If they get that right, then they'll have a winning product.